Hi, I am Mirun Rajapaksha and today I am doing a tutorial of this channel. It is about relay. Here it is. Actually, what is relay? Relay controls external relays using an internal power source or an external power source. Relays are used where it is necessary to control the circuit by an independent low power signal or where several circuits must be controlled by one signal. Okay, let's go to the video. The summary of this video is how to use Arduino and how to connect relay. To get pinouts and programs, go to description and download. It's time to say goodbye for a week. I need you to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. If you still haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel so you can be able to watch my videos very easily. Okay, see you in another video.